Today on Make and Drink, it's the Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa. That's right, the Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa. Let's just say it one more time.
Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa. Yeah, bitch.
Now that translates to a fish with a nose like a pig, also known as the triggerfish. It's the state fish of Hawaii and today's cocktail. The drink is from Smuggler's Cove, and not many people have done a video on this one because why would they? They'd have to say it. And I didn't plan on doing this one either, but this is a Patreon requested video where if you are a member of the Mai Tai tier of the Patreon, you can request a video, and this request is from Robert. The drink was created by Marco Dionysus, who's worked at Smuggler's Cove in the past and is known for many cocktails, including probably most famously the Chartreuse Swizzle. The cocktail has a base of gin, which while uncommon does work very well in tropical and tiki drinks, and it's one of my favorite spirits as well. For this one, you'll need Peychad's bitters, lemon juice, pineapple juice, orgeat, and gin. Now, if you want to keep things really authentic here, you should only use Dole pineapple juice. Without the mighty Dole family who successfully overthrew the sovereign kingdom of Hawaii, there would be no state fish of Hawaii because there would be no state of Hawaii. And then we would not be able to enjoy the Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa. So we're gonna build this one in a small shaker tin, starting with 2 dashes of Peychad's bitters, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of Dole pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of orgeat, and 2 ounces of gin, and I'm using St. George gin here. Just shake it for 5 to 10 seconds. Garnish this with some cherries and an edible orchid. So there you go, the Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa. All right, let's try it. First off, I think my expectations here were totally off. I was just thinking, Mai Tai-ish. I don't taste any Mai Tai here. The orgeat is there, but it's very subtle. Really, the flavors I get the most are gin, the Peychad bitters, and the lemon juice. I think it kind of leans more classical cocktail than it does tropical. And, when I have Peychad bitters and gin, it makes me think of those New Orleans style cocktails, even though they're not together necessarily, but the Sazerac, the Ramus Gin Fizz. So you get kind of those elements of a gin fizz a little bit because it has this sort of creamy consistency and texture. So the Peychad is going to be sweeter, more anise forward than, Angostura bitters, which is just more of those like intense spice flavors. But overall, it's very well balanced. It's very delicious. And it's good to have something else to use orgeat with that's not just another Mai Tai or Mai Tai riff. And if you need to restock on cherries, I found these on Amazon. I think they're pretty good. I think I actually like them better than Luxardo. And they're less than half the price, so you can't beat that. So that's it for this one. I'm Derek. This is Make and Drink. This was the Humuhumunukunukuapuaʻa from Smuggler's Cove, a gin tropical drink using orgeat and pineapple juice with some lemon and Peychad bitters. It is delicious. It is a wonderful cocktail. I highly recommend. It's very different. So if you want to try something new and different, break out that bottle of gin, go with this one right here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel, and otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.